Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You start now, pick the 3 core messages and lock them in as anchors so your mind has a simple map. Once chosen, run your opening aloud twice, roughly 60 to 90 seconds, to build a reliable launch. Make sure to ground your body with 4-4 breathing. Inhale for 4, hold 4, exhale 4, hold 4, for 30 to 60 seconds. This lowers heart rate and quiets runaway thoughts. From here, move into the first full rehearsal with those anchors active. Once done with the opening, structure the body into 3 clear chunks: intro, evidence, and close, so your brain knows what comes next. Practice standing and delivering 2 full runs, simulating audience presence and natural pacing. This reduces surprise. Make sure to use brief cue notes, no full scripts, 3 bullets per slide to keep you conversational. If you feel speed creeping up, pause, breathe, and silently count to 3. This small reset maintains clarity and keeps nerves from rushing your thoughts. Close deliberately. Deliver 1 clear takeaway line and an actionable next step so the audience remembers what to do. Once finished, follow a 30 to 60 second recovery routine, slow breaths, shoulders down, and a water sip to reset your nervous system. If something goes wrong mid-presentation, pause and name the feeling aloud briefly. Saying, "I'm a bit flustered," reduces intensity and lets you continue. Make sure to debrief yourself afterward.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.